Hello, this is Cam, United Credit, showing another proof video on our trade lines. We've been posting trade lines now for over 10 years. We do these videos about twice a month, just showing that our trade lines are posting on a regular basis and let you know that we're not scammers. We do real work. We do real consultation if you need it. And our trade lines do post. We have over 400 trade lines posting pretty much every day now. This trade line here, this was a CPN package that got purchased. Had a great score, 17,000 limit, 3 years, 8 months. Let me see here, 8 months, see full details. You got a great score because when you post a trade line on a blank profile, the score is tremendous. It's a nice boost on a blank profile. So we got a Citibank here, as we said. Perfect pay history, of course. 17,700 limit. Authorized user posted with a nice score. So there you have it, another proof video on our trade lines users, authorized users posting on a regular basis. Get on a trade line list at tradelines.biz, tradelines.biz, or call for a full consultation. We can review your credit profile fully and let you know how trade lines can benefit your profile or maybe not benefit your profile. A quick tip on trade lines. Now, the whole basis of trade lines is we're increasing the average age of your credit profile. That's the secret and basis of all trade lines and why they seem to work. If you go from, first of all, credit score is about 30% of your profile. When you tack on the payments and the age, it's about 30%. So that's why the boost is pretty good. Now, the more years, the better. So if you have, for example, a trade line that's 17,000, 2 years, you're better off with a 10,000, 10-year trade line than a 3-year, 17,000. So just to let you know, in general, the older the trade line, the better the boost, the better it is because you're increasing average age. And again, we can review your credit profile to let you know how these things play out, how they may play out when we add a trade line. Sometimes you can buy a trade line and waste your money. If you have a lot of negative or derogatory items on your profile, a lot of collections, if you have a lot of accounts, a lot of accounts reduces your average age. So you want to be aware of these factors. We can help you go over that if you call us for a free consultation and pricing on our trade lines. Any questions, call me at 202-213-2218 or hit the like button for updates on our videos. Our list again is tradelines.biz. We're still doing credit repair, CPN numbers. We do business trade lines now. You need help in boosting your credit, your business credit profile. Call us up. We get business trade lines. We also do business funding. So call for any credit related question. Call us. Again, it's only free consultation, free advice. 202-213-2218. Subscribe to the channel for the updates and have a great day.